It was a pretty chilly morning, early morning, as temperatures to start the day right after midnight were in the 30s and 40s. Got down to freezing at Bogalusa, but most of these temperatures, such as Kenner at 43 degrees, as I said, were set just after midnight. Temperatures have been rising before daybreak and continue. Now, we did not get into the upper 60s like a lot of the model guidance had indicated, probably because a warm front is still down to our south, but that warm front is likely to move northward overnight tonight. So that will start with a few showers, but also may start to increase temperatures later on tonight. Maybe not before midnight, but certainly afterwards. So a milder couple of days on the way. 56 is our current temperature, winds out of the east at 11 miles an hour. Warm front is just into our south, so it's possible before midnight some of these temperatures may start to increase, but I think everyone will begin increasing before daybreak tomorrow. So 50s and 60s outside right now. Humidity obviously a lot higher than it had been over the weekend, where we had stayed very chilly all weekend long. Winds out of the east right now, but as that warm front moves northward, we should begin to see more of a southeasterly or even southerly wind at times, and also kind of breezy during the night tonight as well. We're also setting up for several disturbances which will kind of stay to our west and north, but several of these disturbances will help to trigger rounds of rainfall. At the moment, most of that rain is staying well to our west, and that's where the bulk of those showers should remain. Warm front moves northward, may help to trigger a few showers overnight tonight, but not a lot. We've been talking about our wetter pattern setting up. That really doesn't happen until Wednesday and on into Thursday. Tomorrow, some spotty showers during the day, but a relatively dry day. Then as we head into Wednesday morning, here it comes. Several shower chances, and that will continue possibly during the night. May get a break later into the evening Wednesday. Timing and placement is going to be very, very dependent upon exactly how these systems set up. But no, Wednesday and on into Thursday, we are expecting several rounds of rainfall moving on through. When those showers begin and kind of over the course of a couple of days, a lot of the models have started to decrease just how much rain accumulation we're going to see in southeast Louisiana, with a little bit more of a focus out to our north and west, and that's where the greater risk of flooding rains begin. For tomorrow, we are under a low-end threat for some isolated street flooding, and even tomorrow I don't think we're going to see a great deal. Now that rain chance does increase, and chance of maybe more flooding rainfall for Wednesday. Note though the higher risk from Lafayette to our north. That kind of continues to shift off to the east as we head into Thursday. Still for us a level 2 threat. Those are going to be our wettest days, Wednesday and Thursday. Then starting to taper off by Friday, and a far less chance, maybe some isolated street flooding. We are going to get kind of a second round early into Saturday, but for the parade Saturday night, I think it'll be fine, at least as long as the timing of this is the same. Now, the upper troughing out to our west is kind of the big pattern shift we were expecting. This is keeping more instability over much of the Gulf Coast, and that'll continue not every single day and not all day long, but several rounds of heavier showers. It looks like we really start to tap into that instability Wednesday and Thursday. Friday evening, it looks like we may see some drier periods. So for parades kind of get started on Friday night, they may be okay as of right now. We'll kind of get a second round early Saturday before this upper system moves on through. And then I think by Saturday night and certainly Sunday and into Monday, we will begin to dry out as the pattern kind of shifts once again. So we'll stay under cloudy skies through the evening and night. Some rainfall late, mild, humid, with overnight temperatures maybe warmer than even we were during the afternoon hours today as we get the day started tomorrow. We will continue that warming trend certainly as the warm front moves northward. So I think more upper 60s and then into the low 70s as we continue through the week. That rain chance finally starts to taper off early Saturday. Temperatures will be dropping, so we'll be kind of on the chillier side Saturday night for the parades, but not as cold as it was this weekend. Nor with the temperature drop we're expecting Sunday and Monday will we be as cold as we were the last couple of days.